Making money with CPA marketing is not a difficult task. All you actually need to do is to use the right strategy to go on to making money right now online. As you can see right now, I've made this exact amount right here today just by utilizing a simple strategy with CPA marketing. And this is quite amazing right here because even a beginner can take advantage of this strategy because we're actually going to be using a paid ad platform to utilize and make money right now with CPA marketing in the year 2023 and beyond. So make sure you do watch this video right here to the end and utilize this strategy to start making money online. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But guys, before we jump right ahead into today's video, if you are new to my channel, I basically post videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to actually use some AI tools to make money online. And if you do like such content, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I release more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in earning extra income online. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, if you do head onto a CPA marketing platform, I basically prefer using CPA Group right here. You could just simply click on register and go on to filling out this form, which will be shown right here appropriately. Check these boxes out to actually go on to registering for an account and agreeing to the terms of services. So once you do that, you can then register for your account and go on to logging into your account. So you can actually do see right here, if you do log into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard such as this. Next, you want to just simply come right here to this monetization tools, or you want to just simply click on the offer tools, click on my offers. And right here guys, you can just simply go on to filtering your offers to any demographic of your choice. But right here, I'm just going to go on to filtering this right here to all countries. And right here guys, I also filtered this category to selecting email and zip submit offers because they are quite easier to go on to getting conversions for. And right now I can just simply click on this payout section to actually show me the highest paying offers. And you can actually do see a lot of offers right now which you could take advantage of to go on to promoting. You may either want to just simply change this to the credit card submit offers because they actually do go on to paying a lot more higher right there. So if you do select that, you can actually do go on to getting some cool offers to promote. But basically, how do you want to promote this offer? Supposing I want to just simply select this offer right now, I could just simply select this offer and I'll be able to see more details to this offer once I actually do gain access to the pop-up, which I'm going to be showing right now. So right here guys, you can actually do see more details about this offer, of which you can actually do go on to maybe using the Google Translator to actually translate this particular text and gain more access or more details to this offer right now. So once you're done with that, you can check out the details, and this is the payout to the offer right here. You could just simply copy this link right now and go on to promoting it using a paid ad platform. And the paid ad platform we're going to be utilizing today is this platform right here, which is called the Rollerads.com. And if you do head on to this particular platform right here, as you can see, this is a very cool platform where you can actually do go on to boosting your ad revenue right now. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see more details about this platform. And we're actually going to be utilizing the push notification right here today. So all you actually have to do is to click on this sign up icon, sign up for an account on this particular platform. And once you do log into your account, all you actually have to do is to click on new campaign. Once you do click on new campaign, you want to make sure you are selecting the push notification format, select the cost per click bidding model. You could actually go to selecting your target presets. Maybe if your offer is actually a gaming mobile offer, you could select that. Select the one that is actually suitable to that particular offer. Once you do select that guys, you want to then just simply move on to the next step, which is to actually do go on to giving your campaign a name. So if I do give you my campaign a name such as this, for the target URL, you want to just simply go on to copying the URL to this particular offer right now. If I do copy the URL right here, head back to this particular page and paste in that right now. You then want to just simply go on to giving it a particular title right here for your offer. So for this title section guys, I'm actually going to use exactly the same title as in CPA Grip. If I do come right here, copy this particular title because this is actually a German offer, I'm just going to come right here, paste in that particular stuff right here. Now I could just simply use exactly the same description right now as in CPA Grip. So if I copy this exact same description, or you could just simply use the Google Translator to actually get something better. So once I do paste that in right here, that has actually been pasted. I can then just simply go on to selecting the preview right now on Android devices, Windows, and the Mac OS. You could also go on to add in some cool icons right here or images. Maybe I can then just simply use the same image right now. I'm just going to right click on the image, save the image on my device right now, and actually do go on to using that in this particular section. So once I do click on this right here, I can then just simply add that exact same image and select the section which I want to show right now for that image. So once I've selected that, I'm going to click on crop image. I'm also going to do the same thing right now for the other section right there. So if I do that right here, I'm just going to go on to showing this entire section, and once that has actually been done, I'm going to click on crop image, and you can see the preview how it's going to look right now for Android devices, for the Windows devices, and the Mac OS device. So you could add in other creatives right now, and it is advisable you do go on to doing that. Make sure you do add at least 4 creatives that are actually having a different text combination from the previous one, a different banner, a different profile pic or logo right there, or you could just simply add a different title also. And for the country section, you want to just simply go on to selecting the country which you're promoting your offer to, and that is actually Germany. If you do select that right here, we can then just simply head on to the next section, which is the regions or cities, and you want to select this via cities right now, and you could just simply focus on more cities. You could just simply come right here to this bid model and actually do go on to inserting a bid, and you want to just simply go on to putting in something that is above the recommended. I can then just simply put in something like 0.1. If I put in something like this, we say 0.1, that is actually quite okay. I can then just simply go into the custom bid. If I do want to add in a custom bid, I could do that right here. If I want to just simply use the CPA optimization, I could do that. For the budget, I can actually do go into inserting a budget. Supposing I want to run this ad for about $20 daily, and I want to just simply run this ad for, let me say, 10 days, I'm going to multiply 20 times 10, which is going to be $200. So this actually helps me not to exceed more than this amount, even if my balance actually exceeds that amount. So you could actually go on to selecting the type of traffic which you want, the age limit, the feed limitation, the zone, the frequency, and a lot more other stuff right now. You could also select the operating system which you want to just simply use, and since this particular offer right here is actually an Apple iOS offer, I'm also only going to be using the Mac OS right now. So if I do go on to selecting that for the device, I'm just going to go on to selecting the mobile, and once that has actually been selected right there, I can then just simply go into the browser and select the type of browser if I do want to do that. And once I'm done, just simply click on I declare and guarantee that my campaign actually meets quality guidelines. Then you can then just simply go on to running your campaign on this platform, and you can then just simply fund your account right here before running your campaign by clicking on this section, fund your account, and actually use that to run your campaign and start making money right now with CPA marketing, because this is actually going to help you go into promoting your offers to a lot of large audience right there. So use this right now and make similar amount to how I made right there. So that's it for now. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, why not just simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are always turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.